Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jason with cheapestvapesupplies.com. Today I'm going to be talking for a few minutes about the Smoke Vape Pen 22. We just got these in a variety of different colors. It does have a diameter of 22 millimeters. It is a 1650 mAh battery capacity. The kit does include the 22 millimeter vape pen, 2 dual cores, charging cable, and of course user manual. This battery is really nice, large battery capacity, has 2.8 second protection, and the white LED will blink 5 times when the power button is held for longer than 8 seconds, and the battery will automatically shut down. It does have resistance protection as well, but the atomizer resistance is lower than 0.1 ohms or higher than 2.5 ohms. The LED will blink 4 times and the battery will automatically shut down as well. Short circuit protection. So if a load short circuit is detected, the white LED will blink 4 times and will automatically shut down the output. Low voltage protection. When the battery capacity is lower than 3.3 volts, the LED light will blink 15 times and the battery will automatically shut down the output. You can check these out at cheapestvapesupplies.com and use coupon code PROMO10. That's PROMO10, and it'll save you 10% on your orders and any order in the future as well. Other people are selling these for $19.99. They're on our website every day for $9.99, and then use that coupon code PROMO10 and it'll still save you 10% on your order. Check them out, guys. cheapestvapesupplies.com, PROMO10.